Unboxing Alia's 15 premium lucky boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Hot pink logo mini PD bag. Get one more charm and one more bag. Lavender quilted mini CC bag. Get one more charm and one more chain. Green mini Lulu truck. Get two more bags. Cream quilted mini CC bag. Get one more charm and one more chain. Brown fluffy mini UG bag. Get one more chain and one more bag. Iridescent pastel snakeskin mini CC bag. Get one more chain and one more bag. Black mini CC bag. Get two more bags. White cartoon print mini Birkin bag. Green lily floral print lambskin mini Birkin bag. Pink mini Lulu bag with side pockets. Gray monogram mini Lulu bag. Get one more charm and one more chain. Light pink monogram mini Lulu tote bag. Get one more charm and one more chain. Light blue mini CC box. Get one more chain and one more bag. Brown patent leather mini CC bag. Pastel tie dabbling horse leather mini Kelly bag. Get one more charm and one more bag. Combine 3 parts into a well-matching set. 3 into 1 again. 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 Light blue bling mini Speedy. Black monogram mini Lulu bag. Get 2 more charms. Shiny silver mini CC bag. Get 1 more chain and 1 more bag. Lilac mini bag. Brown mini handbag. Get 1 more charm and 1 more chain. Cream mini Eve crossbody bag. Get 1 more charm and 1 more chain. 3 into 1 again. 3 into 1 again. 3 into 1 again. 3 into 1 again. White quilted mini CC backpack. Yellow mini Lulu turtle. Get 1 more chain. Denim quilted mini CC bag. Purple mini CC tote bag. Red polka dot fluffy pom-pom cute chain. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the video and the products.